wonjoria guuku bururiini niwe Moses Kuria ni atunganiite anyiti itemi oro hamwe na kana oro hamwe na arimi na iria kuma kaunti itiganite na aria makoragwo makirima Mbamba na Kuria athiite na mbere na kumaikeria rita na mekire gukorwo makihimbiria undu na njira nene. Gukiri uguo Kuria ni athiite na mbere na kuga ati ni enyitĩtie mũthiũri gutigirira ati ni ukiri igara itiganite na iria nicio guthondeka Mbamba na iria guuku bururiini akiuga ati ni undu guteithĩrĩria arimi na njira nene hari tio mwena wa Eldoret igwe kwarira itiganite.
That's why I think it is important that we do the agronomy and see what this means to everyone. Volunteers na watu wa agriculture. What does it mean to the mkulima? County governments, once we set up the value chain and we have Libertex here to assist us, what does it mean to that industry? What does it mean to the person working there? So we need to unbundle this story. And finally, what does it mean to the country? How much are we importing in terms of this apparel from other countries? Maybe, which is sounding paradoxical, because people are telling me why not call it import levy. Mimi sitaki hiyo jina, najua unataka hiyo ndio wanishtaki kwa WTO, so I'll continue to baptize it, jina ya baptism. And this levy is for discouraging imports of steel, furniture, paper, what else was there? Cement, clinker, things that we can make here. Importing clothes should be a luxury. It should not be a necessity. But when I try to do this, and I'm never shying away from stating my mind, there is an uproar. And I agree with those people. I agree with the Tuba people. Because we've not given them an alternative. And what they keep telling me, I meet them a lot. The minute you give us affordable, locally made apparel, even as we are Kenyans, and even as we have children who want jobs, we will be the first one to support local manufacturing and local production. That's the message I get from the Tuba people.
Devolution venye imekuja Eldoret tumefurahia because we are going to speak up our minds. We are going to see a lot of investors coming. We are also going to see a lot of people bringing new ideas to our county.
Kwa maana kuna mambo mengi sisi kama county tuta benefit. Na ukiona kuanzia 2013 mpaka saa hii maneno ya devolution imetusaidia mpaka ground imepata vitu mingi ambayo haikuwa. So tunakaribisha wageni wakuje wa feel free katika kaunti yetu ya Uasin Gishu.
Mwerekeri wa njira twambe tweka